Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. So today's discussion will be about how to become an advocate in India. That being said, if you are someone who wants to serve the people by fighting for their justice, someone who believes that truth shall always prevail and who wants to protect the interests of the people, a career in law might be the answer. Good communication skills, strong logical and analytical skills, an eye for detail and confidence are some of the qualities required in this profession. So if you have already decided to opt for this profession, you can start working on them to make them even better. There are abundant opportunities available for a law graduate, from practicing in courts to working with corporate firms, government department ministries, becoming a judge, a public prosecutor and so on. The first step to becoming a lawyer in India is completing a Bachelor of Law or LLB course. There are two types of LLB course available in India: an integrated 5-year program and a 3-year program that you can pursue after completing graduation. The 5-year course is available at undergraduate level straight after class 10 plus 2. There are several universities offering the 5-year LLB degree, and admission to this course is based on the entrance exam conducted by the respective universities. The most important entrance exam is the Common Law Admission Test or CLAT, which is accepted for admission into the 14 national law universities across India. The CLAT assesses candidates on English, logical reasoning, legal aptitude, elementary mathematics, and general awareness. To be eligible for appearing for CLAT, you should have obtained a senior secondary school, that is 10 plus 2, or equivalent certification from a recognized board with a minimum of 45% marks in aggregate, where 40% in the case of SC and ST candidates. You should be below 20 years of age, where 22 in case of SC or ST candidates as on the test date. Universities which admit for the 5-year LLB course through CLAT are NLSIU Bangalore, NLIU Bhopal, NALSAR Hyderabad, WBNUJS Kolkata, HNLU Raipur, RMLNLU Lucknow, GNLU Gandhinagar, CNLU Patna, NUSRL in Ranchi, NLUO Odisha and NLUJA Assam. Apart from these universities, there are some other universities which offer a 5-year law course, including Symbiosis Law School and National Law University in Delhi and Jindal Global Law School. These universities conduct separate admission tests. Some universities accept Law School Admission Test or LSAT for granting admissions. The test is conducted by the Law School Admission Council. Apart from this, there are state-level entrance tests for admission into respective state universities. You can also opt for a 3-year LLB degree after completing graduation. You can complete your bachelor's degree in any stream with at least 50% marks. Some universities offering a 3-year course including Banaras Hindu University, Delhi University, Punjab University, Government Law College in Mumbai and others. If you want to become a lawyer in India and practice in the court, you need to obtain either a 3-year or 5-year full-time degree in law. Any other course will not give you a license to practice law in Indian courts. After completing the classroom courses, you will have to do a mandatory internship as per the norms set by the specific institution. The final step to becoming a lawyer is to enroll yourself as an advocate in any of the state bar councils regulated by the Advocates Act 1961. The state bar councils do not have a uniform process of registration. After registration, you must clear All India Bar Examination or AIBE. The exam is conducted by Bar Council of India, and once you clear it, you get a certificate of practice. The test assesses your basic analytical capabilities and your knowledge of the law. We often use the terms lawyer and advocate interchangeably, however, there is a difference between the two. After completing your LLB course, you become a lawyer. However, you are still not an advocate. To become an advocate, you will have to enroll yourself with any state bar council and clear the All India Bar Examination or AIBE as I explained previously. After you become a lawyer, you can set up your own law office and practice independently. However, most law graduates first practice under another experienced lawyer to gain practical experience and learn the tricks of the trade before they start practicing alone. Depending on your chosen area of specialization, you can become a civil lawyer, criminal lawyer, corporate lawyer, income tax lawyer, etc. As an advocate, you can also serve in the government sector. You can appear for tests conducted for the selection of public attorneys. You can also clear the judicial services exam of your state and become a judicial magistrate or civil judge. You can appear for the state or union public services commission exam to become a civil servant. Overall, the job prospects for a lawyer or advocate are quite bright, and with the right attitude and skill set, you can have a prosperous career. A lawyer's income depends on factors such as reputation, expertise, and kinds of cases handled. A lawyer can earn between rupees 1,27,000 to rupees 4 crore 10 lakh 5,000 per annum depending upon the specialization and experience. There are advocates who are said to charge rupees 5 lakh to rupees 1 crore for one court appearance. So if you want to become an advocate, wishing you all the very best. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.